Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one-step solution for all your defense need. Now, friends, the wait is over. The notification and the form fill-up is out for the NCC Special Entry Scheme for the 50th course at October 2021 at the Officer Training Academy. It's an SSC and it's a non-tech entry for men as well as the women, and this also include the what of battle casualty of army personnel. Now, friends, at joinindianarmy.nic.in, you can fill up the form, and the commencement of submission of this online application is from today at 16 June 2021 in the website itself, and the last date is 15 July 2021. Now, 1 month is provided for form fill up, and friends, you can check the form fill up at the website itself and just log into your account to fill up the form. In case you haven't created the account, you just create the account at the officer panel, right? Now, moving back to the vacancies, friends, it has 50 vacancy for the main cadre and men candidate, and 45 for the general category, and 5 for the ward of casualty of army personnel only. Now, here is the question that this 45 general category, what does this mean? It means those who have NCC certificate with minimum B grading and also has 50% in the graduation or been shortlisted for this are generally for the general category like candidates, and 5 are battle of casualties. Now these are friend those whose parents, whose father got face casualty while in operation or during the war time, are being given this special chance to go for this entry. And women, in case, there are 4 general category and 1 war of battle casualty for the army personnel only. Now, friends, here the age limit is you can see 25 years on the date of commencement of the course. Now, hear it very properly, right? You should not be born early 2nd July 1996 or not later than 1st July 2002. Now, both the dates are inclusive. Now, application are invited from the unmarried male as well as the unmarried female. Now, this include the war of battle casualty of army personnel, and it grants short service commission to in the Indian Army. Now, education qualification for the application, as I've said, the qualification should be 50% in your graduation, and that can be any degree, BSc, BTech, or any other. That should be bachelor, and it has 3 or 4 years of course. Now, it should be applicated from a recognized university, and meanwhile, in case there is a CGPA marks, just go to your college and convert it, okay? And thereafter you should have a minimum B grade in your NCC certificate, and you should be holding this NCC C certificate with minimum 3 years of experience, right? No 2 years of experience will be granted, but yeah, at least should serve in the 3 years. But here some conditions are given in this, like now both 2 years and the 3 years both are applicable, because you will find there are candidates who have experience of 2 years. On the early dates, it used to be that you can do within 2 years complete your C certificate. So now this has been been applicable for both. Now, talking about the form fill up and all, just go to the official panel, click on make an ID. So you will find there is a dashboard occurring. There are so many options which are available. Now, what you need to do, friends, that in the officer entry, when you register or log in to the account, just click on the apply online button, and after which you can check your eligibility, and after then just fill up the form which is near to it, and just continue it. And thereafter you will be getting a highlight button or special entry of the NCC, and then click on it and fill the relevant details, which includes your personal information, communication detail, educational detail, and detail about the various SSB you have appear for, and just save and continue each time before you go to the next segment. Now, after filling the detail on the last segment, so there will be a summary of information, and to recheck it, just recheck your summary, and if you need any addition, like need to edit anything, just go to the edit button and just edit the form. and just after the relevant correction submit the form. And after you get submitted, it will take around, just at the last day when the form fill up is done. So just when the form fill up get over, after 30 minutes you will be provided with the roll numbers. Now friends, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, do share this video among your friends and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, meet you very soon.